Today, my topic of discussion is favoritism and biasness in biopic movies, and I have chosen the movie Sanju. I will discuss about the points favoritism, biasness, and victim role playing. My focal intention will be about these elements and about biopic movies in general. I am not against any star or existing being in regarding this movie, so that's clear, I guess. So now I would like to move on to my actual analysis or topic of discussion. I will point out certain elements here, and then I will discuss the rest to my vocal representation or discussion. 1. Controversies and complicated life. 2. Catering, favoritism and biasness. 3. Somewhat glorifying wrong deeds and decisions. 4. Victim role playing. As I said earlier, I am not against any star or existing being in this movie. In fact, I like Rajkumar Hirani and Sanjay Dutt, but the problem and controversy remained the same, and this time it became even more because Sanjay Dutt's personal life is controversial and complicated. Biopics usually cater the elements favoritism and biasness a lot. In this case, it becomes more clear because Rajkumar Hirani undoubtedly adores Sanjay Dutt in a whole. In Sanju, Rajkumar Hirani and his co-director slash scriptwriter pointed out the important events in Sanjay Dutt's life and sequentially staged the story beautifully. What is wrong and what is right, I actually don't know, or many people like me does not know about nooks and corners of his life. The problem starts when the womanizer concept, him being drug addicted, all these topics were glorified and catered in this movie as normal, though it was his personal preference, but glorifying these factors makes it more controversial. Another thing that is eyesore is that Rajkumar Hirani or Sanjay Dutt's own description of himself as a victim in every sector somewhat caters to the point or instigates in some places that the character slash identity is somewhat victim playing. Maybe or may not be he was the scapegoat of every worst situation he faced, but at certain times in this movie the character Sanju somehow made himself look victim of all controversies, and this denies all the allegations, faults of him and against him as wrong, lies, places him into the again victim card playing position. However, there are many controversies regarding this movie and also many praisers regarding this movie, and it became blockbuster hit. I just tried to focus on small topics, and as my title suggests, it is mostly done in every biopic. Biopic movies are caterer of favoritism and biasness. That's my focal point. That's all from me for today. Thank you.